Let's do another example finding vector function derivatives. Here is a vector function in R2, e to the t and e to the negative t are the components. We'll find the tangent vector when t is 0, and we'll also find the equation of the tangent line at t equals 0. And I'm just going to do parametric equations. Even though this is a 2D function, we could eliminate the parameter and find a typical tangent line as a function of y as a function of x, but I'm going to stay with parametric equations. So first, to find the tangent vector, we're going to need to find r prime of t, and then we will evaluate that at t equals 0. So taking the derivative component-wise, the derivative of e to the t is e to the t, and the derivative of e to the negative t, using the chain rule, is negative 2 e to the negative 2t. So there is our derivative vector. When we evaluate it when t is 0, we're going to get e to the 0, which is 1, and negative 2 e to the 0 will be negative 2. So this is our tangent vector when t is equal to 0. Now, let's think also about the value of our function at 0, since we're going to need a position vector to write the equations of our tangent line. So at 0, if we go back to the original function, r of 0 will be e to the 0, which is 1, and e to the negative 2 times 0, also e to the 0, which is 1. So that means if we look at the graph here, this is a graph of r of t. You could obtain this graph by eliminating the parameter t, but here it is. And okay, so our r of 0 is 1, 1, which means that we are attending to this point, let's say that's 1, 1, on our function, and the tangent vector is 1, negative 2. That's a position vector that's going to look like this. If we go over 1 and down 2, we have a position vector that looks like that. That is r prime when t is 0. You can see if I place that at the point 1, 1, which is our point of tangency, there we have our tangent vector. And that tangent vector also gives us the direction vector of the tangent line. So to generate our tangent line, and it also gives you the orientation of the curve, so we know that the curve is moving towards that direction. So our tangent line, we have our point, right? So the point that we're interested in is 1, 1, and we have our direction vector, which we just found, the tangent vector 1, negative 2. And so our parametric equations of the line will be x equals, so recall that it's x0 plus at, y is y sub 0 plus bt. In 2D, b over a is the slope of our line, but we also know that a and b are the corresponding x and y components of our direction vector. So our parametric equations for our line will be x equals 1 plus 1t. Since a is 1, this is the value of a, and y will be 1 minus 2t, since our value for b is negative 2. And we'll let t go from negative infinity to infinity to generate our parametric equations of our tangent line.